Hi guys, today I'll share with you how to use a Korea Mosquito fogging machine. This model is using a push start system. The weight is 8 kg and the tank capacity is 1.8 liter. First, mix your diesel and the chemical into the chemical tank. Note that only fill half tank for the chemical and gasoline tank. Turn the valve to anti-clockwise. This two valve is to control for the chemical tank or the volume of fog you want. To off the machine, turn the valve to clockwise. And remember to release the gas by opening the chemical cap and gasoline cap. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.